Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get bank ID on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. It's a very easy method. Now for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store or play store accordingly and search bank ID as I have done. Now once you have done that, you will find this option of bank ID app right over here, and this is what we need. You're going to tap on this get option, double click, and then your app will start being downloaded. You just have to wait for a while. Once the downloading is complete and installed, you will find that app right over here in your mobile screen as well, and that's basically how you will be able to get bank ID app on your phone, and you can create your new bank ID according to your requirements. So just have patience and wait for a while. And there we go. Now our app is downloaded. Tap on this open and use it however you want. So that's basically how you will be able to get bank ID on your phone, and that is it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.